Yes, now the data frame questions. A dictionary called stdx, which contains total marks, which is used to create a data frame. Write Python statement to find minimum. So min function is used to find the minimum, and the name of the data frame is df in square bracket in single quotes t marks. So the second one is the correct option. You can see, yes, correct, second one. Which command is used to remove the rows, first three rows? Now drop is used to remove the first three rows. Now you have to mention here from where to where. So first three means this slicing you have to do. Now the last one, slicing, is always having the square bracket. You can see the last option is correct, df dot drop, because in the first option round bracket, in slicing always the square bracket is used. So the last option is correct. Next, which command to compute mean? So we will use mean of every row of data frame. Now in this you have to remember one thing while doing the attributes. What we have learned is, for every row we will write axis equals to 1, and for every column. So only here in data frame attributes only this change was there. So this confusion is created because only in data frame attributes you will write, for every row you will write axis equals to 1, whereas for all the other cases, for cd all the other data frame questions, we are writing, for row we are writing axis equals to 0, and for column we are writing axis equals to 1. So that's why they have given this question here. Axis equals to 1 will be correct. Which command to add one more row? Now for adding a row with these values in this table, now you will see the last value is, for last you can use -1 also for last record, and these values you can add. So here you are using -1 with the last values. So the first option is correct. df.iloc, for last we are writing -1 equals to, and then we are mentioning the value in square bracket. Next, write command to add df1 and df2. So df1 plus df2, any, all of the above. So here all of the above is correct. Rename the index of df2 from abc to uvw. So this already re-index you have done, where a colon, the new value is u. So I think re-index a colon u, b colon v, a colon u. What is the difference between the first and the second one? Anybody?
Ma'am, curly bracket is absent.
Oh, sorry. Here, closed bracket is absent. So first one is the correct one. Yes, first one is the correct one. Next, for cove, now this already I have told you, only variance, VAR, covariance, COV, correlation coefficient, and so this answer will be covariance, COV. So the first one is the correct one, covariance. Next one, maximum and average value of each row of DF2. So here in option of this question also you have to make the correction. Maximum as well as the average also. So mean also you have to write. So if you have selected for maximum, okay, you will get the marks, or we will change the question. So here either only maximum you should have written, or if average also, if it is there in the question, then you have to write mean also. So mean answer is missing. So this one is for maximum value, correct. Next one, write command to change rows as columns. So transpose we are using, this already you have done, transpose we will use. Next, write command to sort values. This also you have done, sort values we are using. Column name is A and data frame is DF. So you will mention the column name with sort underscore val. First one is the correct answer. Dash cannot be used here, underscore is there. So first one is the correct answer. Next, which command to sort the values? The same thing it is, the first one. So this one was same. Print out the incorrect statement. Both series and ND array can be passed. Yes, it can be passed. Oh, it has changed.